With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let me explain this question to you. Statement 1. The time period of oscillation of a simple pendulum of constant length is more at a place inside a mine than on the surface of the earth. Okay, so this is a true statement because time period of simple pendulum is t is equals to 2 pi under root L upon G. So as we go inside mine, means below the surface of earth, G will decrease and time period will increase. Now statement 2. The frequency of oscillation of simple pendulum is more at a place inside mine than on the surface of earth. No, this is false statement because frequency is inversely proportional to time period. Your frequency is equals to 1 by t. So here if we go below the surface of earth, or you can say inside a mine, then G will decrease, time period will increase, then frequency will decrease. Okay, so statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. So correct option is statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. I hope you understood this explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.